Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me right now is Amit Bohensky. He is the founder and chairman of Zoomd Technologies. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, ZOMD on the TSX Venture and ZMDTF on the OTC. And Zoomd will be presenting at our upcoming investor conference at Planet MicroCap Showcase Toronto in partnership with MicroCap Club, taking place October 21 through 23, 2025 at the Arcadian Loft in downtown Toronto. For more information, meet with Amit to see their presentation in person. Please register to attend at planetmicrocapshowcase.com. And with that, Amit, thank you for joining me today. How you doing?
Thank you very much, Robert. Thank you for meeting me again.
Absolutely. It's great to see you and meet again. And so we got a lot to cover since our last time chatting. Company came out with some results in the last quarter. But before we get into the update and all that good stuff, you know, uh, for those that aren't familiar with the ZoomD story, can you give us that quick overview of the company, what the company does?
Yes. So ZOMD is actually a services-based company. We use our own technology and platform to serve very big clients that have digital assets and they need to have more of their clients. So I'll give you an example. Let's say that you are a big e-commerce company and you just need more customers to buy in, to register, and to buy the merchandise. So what we do, we orchestrate for them the entire budgeting of the marketing, and we actually represent them on the open web in order to get more customers that will come and use their platform. And we have different type of companies that are coming to us and just in the need of having more clients.
Very good. All right. So last time we did an interview together, we published that on April 10th, 2025. So let's get that update. What would you say were some of the company's highlights in the last 5 to 6 months here?
So in the end of Q4 of 24, we announced that we took onboarding of new clients, customers like GoHenry, like Fanatics, like NBA.com, which was very exciting. So what you've been seeing on the last couple of quarters is the growth of those customers actually joining into our activities, as well as the expansion of our activities within the geos and more territories on behalf of our clients. We're pretty exciting times.
So Amit, the company put out, you put out the company's second quarter 2025 results. That was announced on August 14th, 2025. Can you give us some of the highlights?
Yeah, so in terms of revenues, we made a record achievement of 19.5 million dollars. This is about 40% higher than the previous parallel quarter that we've done in Q2 of 24. It's also interesting that in terms of profitability, we achieved 5.3 million in Q2 of 25. The net income is 3.9 from Q2 24 to Q2 25. So those are a summary of those results of that quarter.
Very good. So, I mean, you mentioned a little bit of some of the driving forces behind that is, some of the newer customers that came on board and now, starting to be reflected in the quarters after that. From what you can tell us, moving forward here, what would you say are some of the value catalyst goals and or milestones that you'd like to see achieved now for the rest of 25 going into 26? Or, better yet, are there any of those similar type of customers or clients coming in that, people are like, well, if that's what happened in the end of 24, and it's reflective now, is who's the next one like that, if there is.
Just that I will hint that you should stay put for the following conference that is coming. I never fly for conferences for vain, so there are a lot of good things that are happening, and I hope to announce them soon. In terms of catalysts that I can talk about at this point, we are working very hard on automation of our platform when it's working with our clients. We have an agentic environment that sends continuous feedback to our clients while the campaigns are running, and we automated that. And as time passes by, we hope to achieve more and more autonomous processes that will help us to scale even more the ability to serve those clients. And this will be shown in the numbers and in the results.
So, Amit, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on ZoomD?
So there's information on our website. There's also the presentation of the investors at our website. I'm also a very active, lovable chairman. So it's very easy to reach me with my mobile phone. I don't know if you can give my mobile phone, but I usually speak with most of the investors in WhatsApp, and I answer them if there is a fast question to ask me or something that they want to understand, or schedule a call with me.
Like that, a lovable chairman. That's great. So, Amit, with that, thank you so much for joining me here today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck, stay safe, and I'll see you in Toronto in a week.
Thank you very much, Robert.
Thank you.